5. Here we are. Anyways, I got a parcel. Now you're probably wondering why, how is this relevant? Basically, I ordered a humidifier, a portable humidifier on this website. I wanted to know if it was legit or not, because basically, I have sweat coin, and so I bought it with the sweat coins. So all I had to pay was the postage, which was like $6.99. So we'll see what it's like. And so now, much time later, it has arrived. I don't want to turn it around and leak my address. So we're just going to open it up. Okay, so first of all, the sticks are everywhere. Like, they're not even in the little box. They are literally, like, loose. Oh! The box looks very professional. I think I got the grey one. I think. I don't really remember. Is that it? Looks cute. Looks like a mini water bottle. Oh, we've got one fully loaded in there. There's like a spirit. It's a shame that the talking skills are just not there. There's a spring. I don't know what the spring is there for. Do I have to fill it up? Probably. See, I don't even know what a humidifier is really. Ching ching. They didn't charge it for me. Is this... Oh no, that's where the steam comes out.
I feel like they put it in upside down.
You know, I could be the one that's wrong about that. Does it come with instructions? That's probably the little bit of paper that you threw out in the beginning. Is that it? Very aggressively too, right? Can you read?
No, I cannot.
Add running water, soak the cotton stick for 1 minute and then replace it. Okay. Insert the cotton swab into the spring, then put it into the bottom slot. Close the lid. What are they on about? The bottom slot? Because that doesn't fit on there. Where do we think the spring has to go? Because I just think the spring's going to get rusty sitting in water for like 4 to 8 hours. Do you know what? I'm going to do it how they put it in because it's their product. So they should know what they're doing. It's a shame that the box is so like dented and ruined. But you know, that's shipping. I'm sure it started off nice. Should we plug it in and see if it lights up? Wait, does it need to... I don't think it needs to be plugged in. If I plug it in, it won't start shooting out. Right, it's charging. We'll come back when it's got some battery. Because otherwise it's going to have to be on the floor and that's just not a vibe, you know? We have moved to the bathroom. We'll fill that up with water. Okay, we'll just let it soak for a minute. Pop it in there. We've got the spring. But I'm just going to go by the way that they did it. They said it didn't have to be plugged in. Just want to say that's false information. I thought that it didn't have to be plugged in. I don't think it needs to be plugged in all the time. I have to go plug it in. Oh, sorry. Right, I've plugged it in. You can't even see it. Hold on. Why is it screaming? I think I might have done something wrong. Let's refer back to these very large, easy to read instructions. They've translated it so it doesn't actually make sense in English. We had it that way, so now we'll try with the spring at the bottom. Well, there we go. That's pretty cool. That's a lot though. Can we like reduce that just? It is literally water. It's like rain. Oh my god, that's so cool. Look how cute that is. Isn't that adorable? I take back every bad thing I said about it. It even does colour changing. It's so cute. Let's see with the light off. No, you can't see it. Not if you can't see my eyebrows. Why? Because I bleached them. Why? Because why not? We hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed making it and spending our money on random things. And I feel like this is a bit of a random video, so you know, let me know what you think. Let me know if this is a cool video, if you think I should try more products and waste more money on things, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.